Hello, in this video I will show you sound test on a Redmi 15C. So I have volume on the half, 50%, and this is how it sounds like. Now I will adjust the volume up to 70%. And now to the maximum. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.